Varieties of Democracy, or V-Dem, is the largest democracy measurement project in the world, working with 3,000 experts from 180 countries and providing 28 million data points. We can really tell what's going on. In part 1 and 2, I showed evidence that the third wave of autocratization is accelerating and that democracies are, for the first time in a long while, in a minority. I also showed that more than 1/3, 2.6 billion people, now live in countries that are undergoing autocratization. But protest against want-to-be dictators is also growing. 44% of countries in the world saw pro-democratic protests last year. No wonder 2019 was called the year of protest. While non-democratic regimes, electoral autocracies, and closed dictatorships became the most common form of governance in 2019, found in 92 countries, protests also reached an all-time high. This is happening in both democracies and autocracies. So there are some rays of hope, and among the best performers over the past 10 years, we find countries from all corners of the world. Even as the third wave of autocratization intensifies, the world is still more democratic than it's been for most of modern history. Now the world is facing another challenge, the corona pandemic. And naturally, we all have to refrain from mass protests and big gatherings. But when this crisis is over, let's remember that democracy needs to be defended. So, in the coming years, this woman, along with all other fellow Democrats in the world, can achieve their goal. Read the full details and see all the analysis in the 2020 Democracy Report. Visit vdem.net to download your copy of the report, and here you also find the latest version 10 of the dataset, online tools for analysis, policy briefs, and much more.